Hello everyone, welcome back to another Teaching Tuesday and the part 3 of our Realizing Our Impact series. Today I will be talking about Holly and intersectionality. So let's start with a little story that you can share with your family and have a great discussion with them as well. So, a fun guide to intersectionality. This is Holly. Holly is a striped and polka dotted butterfly and should be proud. Sadly, some people do not like Holly. Holly faces oppression for being a butterfly with stripes and polka dots. Luckily, there are groups who can help, but they aren't intersectional. So they look like this. On one side, there's polka dot butterflies, and on the other side, it's just all the striped butterflies. They don't talk to each other. In fact, they compete. So the polka dot butterfly says, "No, I'm oppressed." The striped butterfly said, "No, I am. I deserve more." Holly can figure out where to go. Am I more of a stripes or polka dot butterfly? Holly wishes that the striped and polka dotted butterflies could work together. Oppression of one affects us all. No, liberation without equal representation. Intersectionality is the belief that oppressions are interlinked and cannot be solved alone. Oppressions are not isolated. So this little story is a reflection and an example of how we all come from different backgrounds and that each person has a different story, and that's just the way it is. So here are a few questions you can reflect on once you have read through the whole story. What are some struggles that Holly is faced with? How could a friend support Holly? How would Holly's experience been different if there were places that supported her in the very beginning? And what are other roadblocks that people like Holly would experience other than finding support groups? After reading that story, you're probably wondering, what is intersectionality? Intersectionality is knowing that everyone has their own unique experiences of privilege or power and oppression. Points of intersect include race, gender, class, sexual orientation, physical ability, and so on. It is important to understand that our own intersects and how we fit into this world so we can become more open and sensitive human beings, more effective leaders and supporters. Our points of intersect shape on how we move, discover, react, and respond to and through the world in various situations. It is also important to remember that we all come from different backgrounds and we can belong in more than just one community. We can also experience oppression and privilege at the same time. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you next week for our last part of the Realizing Our Impact series.